General Sheikh Mohammed bin Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa, Commander Bahrain National Guard, called on Air Chief Marshal Zaheer Ahmed Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. During the meeting, both sides reaffirmed their resolve for sustained defense cooperation, placing special emphasis on joint training initiatives and deeper collaboration within the aviation industry. Chief of the Air Staff extended a warm welcome to the esteemed guest as he briefed the visiting dignitary on the recent advancements of Pakistan Air Force, highlighting its comprehensive plans of modernization through infrastructure development, revamping of training, and induction of niche capabilities. He further highlighted that these strategic initiatives are aimed at enhancing PF's operational preparedness and technological edge in multi-domain warfare. The Air Chief emphasized that Pakistan and Bahrain enjoy deep-rooted religious and historical ties, which are reflected in their exemplary military-to-military cooperation, and reiterated his resolve to expand the bilateral defense collaboration, particularly in the spheres of training, joint exercises, and knowledge sharing. During the meeting, General Sheikh Mohammed bin Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa congratulated the Air Chief on the outstanding performance of Pakistan Air Force in the recent conflict against India, lauding the professional excellence, operational readiness, and remarkable courage displayed by PF personnel. Commander Bahrain National Guard expressed his earnest desire for enhanced collaboration in the field of training and emphasized the significance of joint learning through exercises. He also conveyed the keen interest of Bahrain Air Force in undertaking bilateral exercises and joint training ventures with PAF, highlighting that such initiatives would serve as a platform for mutual growth and shared operational experience. The follow-up visit reinforced the enduring bonds of brotherhood and defense partnership, with the visiting dignitary lauding PF's indigenization drive and praising its leadership for safeguarding regional balance of power. It was also mutually agreed that as part of the forthcoming series of negotiations, Commander of the Bahrain Air Force will undertake an official visit to Pakistan in the near future. The meeting between Chief of the Air Staff and Commander Bahrain National Guard underscored the unwavering commitment of both nations to broaden military cooperation, foster institutional collaboration, and strengthen bilateral defense ties in the face of evolving regional challenges.